Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. Today I'm doing something with the hair. I haven't done many hairstyle videos in a while, although I like changing my hair every day. I think I've told you guys that before. I don't like keeping the same hairstyle for like a week or weeks at a time, unless when I got my hair cut, my first diva cut, and I was like, oh, I love my curls and all I want to do is wear it down. Yeah, so we're gonna do a fishtail braid today on my hair, and I want to show you guys how to do it. I'm using the Oribe Star Glow styling wax because I am out of my gel. And it's not that I don't like this product, just to be clear. It's that it's water soluble, so get it out a little bit because it is wax. And so I can't use it on wet hair because this is me using it on my wet hair. And even though I can feel the wax in my hair, you see all the frizzy stuff. So I tend to use it on dry hair. So my hair is drier. So now this is when I should have been putting it on. But because I leave the house before my hair is fully dried, if I'm going out, I don't want to have to wait until it's pretty dry. Because even on damp hair bit, it doesn't get all the flyaways, which kind of sucks. So yes, anyway, this is what we'll be using because I'm out of gel. So part it in two. And basically what you do is you're just taking pieces from the bottom. Take one piece from the bottom and I pull it over to the other side. I take a piece from the other bottom from the side and I pull it over to the other side, and I'm holding on to it. I'm pulling it over and back, if you can see. And I'm just going to keep doing that until I get to the bottom, pulling one from the bottom and then bring it over to the side, pulling it from the bottom and bringing it over to the side. And you can have it as thick of chunks as you like. Some people like theirs really small. I'm not going to say I'm not patient enough to do that, but I'm not patient enough to do that. Let's keep going. And of course, you can comb your curls out if you like. I normally don't, just because I'm going for the whole, I like a real messy effect when it comes to my braids. I don't want to say messy effect. Sometimes I do it real sleek, but normally I prefer a more of a messy effect because I like the curls. Curls to me are kind of messy, you know? Kind of everywhere. I didn't have to put that in there, but I did. And so, yeah. But of course, you can comb your curls out as well and get a more sleek braid. All right, guys, I'm all done. I had to go and get a little thing to tie it up with. But this is my messy little fishtail. But as you can see, a fishtail basically is it going in and coming out, and it's just going around all the way down, and it's just fun. It's something different than just a braid. I used to do it all the time in I don't even want to say in high school, but in middle school maybe, and I haven't done a fishtail braid in such a long time. I am not a braid aficionado. I'm not that great of a braider either, but it's just something that I just want to show you guys. If you didn't know how to do a fishtail, yeah, you're just pulling from both sides from the bottom over on each side, from the bottom over, and holding on to both as you go. And that's it. It's really easy, and it's nice to have, you know, a different braid, and you can pull it out too to make it look fuller. People do that, more distinct. So I hope that helped you guys. I hope you have an amazing weekend. I will see you guys next time, and thank you so much for watching this quick video on how I do a fishtail. Bye. Yeah, I haven't worn it like this in such a long time. Takes me back.